Hi guys, say hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
No.
Okay. Hi guys.
Upod kami ni Rai. Ari kami sa may sa may Paragon. We're going where? We're going where?
We are going
To?
to the moon.
To where?
To
313.
wait.
To?
To mom.
Kadungol sa ako ng alaga.
Mom. We're going home.
Ari diri sa Paragon ang mga branded stuff.
No.
Right, Rai? You can see the Longchamp, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Prada, and more. Takashimaya. What? Later. Oh, come, we need to cross. Stop. We are crossing to Ngian. Takashimaya. Come on. Maybe your Popo, Auntie Cathy, and Coco is there already. iPhone. Right, look that one. iPhone 17 Pro. Mabakal kami sinan ni Rai buwas. Right, Rai? Mabakal kami sinan buwas ng iPhone. Takashimaya. The time is 6:27. Masanag pa. So, makross kami pa kadto sa 313. Alright, careful.
Workshop.
Rai, wait for me, Rai. Kung gusto niyo magbakal sa Michael Kors, may area man diri sa may Hilton. Sa may Hilton Hotel. On the way kami ni Rai Rai pakadto sa 313 Somerset.
Can I please have your phone?
Later. Rai, stop. I know you are the boss.
Oh, Bosses, give me your phone.
Can you stop it? Itor-torta ka mo danay sa Singapore. Chinese New Year is coming! Orchard dito. Traffic jam. Victoria's Secret is there also. Ako alaga. Alright, you see the guy? The guy that wore those circles, right? That one, no, the guy at the back. There. The one wearing t-shirt with the red. The one, see? See? Yeah, right? will do again, right? So, ayun na kami sa 3-1. You're right, Pastor. There's a time. 12. 10 seconds. Alright, Pastor. Ayun na kami sa may Somerset. Somerset 313. Nakita. Pero dito kami maagi ni Rai. So, bye-bye.